Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Qayyum bin Abdul Wahab. I want to present about CVT, continuously variable transmission. The first one, introduction. Continuously variable transmission or CVT is a type of automatic transmission. CVT works like the regular automatic transmission but doesn't have gear like the auto transmission. Despite that, a CVT can have infinite number of gears, reduce and continuously change the rotor regardless of the speed. History of CVT. The Formula One (F1) sport is the most prestigious form of racing in the world. In 1993, the Williams FW15C testing purpose fit with a completely different mechanism for the transmission of power from an engine to the wheels. This test model of continuously variable transmission (CVT) technology was banned by F1 before hitting on the racetrack. Because this technology is used as driver, it reduces drivers' efforts from shifting gears without any action by the driver, and racing is not much challenging for competition. The CVT first gained prominence in 1910 when Zenith Motorcycle produced a CVT model that was so efficient it was banned from hill climbing competition. By the late 1980s, the CVT had entered the mainstream thanks to Subaru. In modern times, almost every manufacturer has at least one model with a continuously variable transmission. Theory of operation. Most CVT systems operate via a pulley system rather than using complex parts of shift between a range of gears. In a CVT, one pulley is attached to the engine and the other gives power to the wheels. The cones on each pulley can move to increase or decrease the diameter of the wheel to change gear ratios. Operation of CVT. A car jack up on one side provide a useful analogy to explain the basic principle of CVT gearbox. If you were to put the car in first gear and release the clutch, the differential in the axle will transfer the drive through the path of least resistance, causing the wheel up in the air to spin quickly, while the one on the ground stays completely still. However, if you apply resistance to the wheel in the air, energy will be transferred to the other side and the car will fall off the chair. The CVT essentially recreates this process using a combination of hydraulic and mechanical drive linked via a planetary gear system comprising a sun gear, planet gears, and a ring gear around the outside of the tube. The central sun gear is like to the wheel on the ground as it mechanically geared to the engine and rear and front axles, so is entirely the path of most resistance. The ring gear is lying to the wheel in the air. As it has the last resistance, it drives a hydraulic pump, which in turn feeds a hydraulic motor that is also directly geared to the front and rear axles. As the tractor continues to accelerate, the pump steadily reaches its maximum swing angle until its output is at maximum capacity. System diagram. For the first one, oil pump, torque converter, lock-up clutch, power from engine, forward clutch, power to wheels, reduction gear, secondary pulley, metal belt, variator, primary pulley, reverse mechanism, and the last one, reverse clutch. Advantage and disadvantage of CVT. Advantage of CVT. Divide by 5. The first one, economic benefits. Second, maximum power band. Third, simple structure. 4, lightweight. And 5, smooth drive. Disadvantage of CVT. Divide by 4. First one, driving experience. Second, noisy operation. Third, lack of sport times. And the last one, expensive maintenance. Improvement of CVT technology. My opinion for the future is due to the early pace of the CVT being limited to as much horsepower as it could accommodate. There was general concern about the level of realism of the CVT. However, the advanced technology developed today makes CVT able to perform even harder. Maintaining engine performance is to have your CVT transmission inspected every 30,000 miles at your local transmission repair center. After extended use, your CVT will need to be flushed, but it can last up to 100,000 miles or more depending on your vehicle. In addition, adding more lower gears to light or heavy vehicle so that when carrying a large load can use the gear and the vehicle will be more stable and light.